want to evaluate the given expression when a equals negative 26 and b equals 30. To do this, we substitute negative 26 for a and 30 for b, and then evaluate the expression using the order of operations. So beginning with the given expression, we have the quantity a squared plus b squared divided by the quantity a plus b. Performing the substitution, a squared equals the square of negative 26. And we do need the negative 26 in parentheses so that we have two factors of negative 26. And then plus b squared, which would be plus 30 squared, divided by the quantity a plus b, which would be the quantity negative 26 plus 30. Notice how when performing substitution, it's recommended to always include parentheses around the values being substituted into the expression. When we have an expression in fraction form, we simplify the numerator and denominator separately using the order of operations, and then we simplify the fraction. In the numerator, we have the square of negative 26, which equals negative 26 times negative 26, which equals 676, plus the square of 30, or 30 squared, equals 900. In the denominator, we have negative 26 plus 30, which equals positive 4. In the numerator, 676 plus 900 is equal to 1,576. So we have 1,576 over 4, or 1,576 divided by 4. We do want to simplify this fraction. In this case, 4 is a factor of 1,576. So this will simplify perfectly to a whole number. Remember, the divisibility rule for 4 is if the last two digits are divisible by 4, so is the entire number. So because 76 is divisible by 4, so is 1,576. So we'll take 1,576 and divide by 4. We first need to determine how many 4s in 15. There are 3 4s in 15. 3 times 4 is 12, and we subtract. 15 minus 12 is 3. Bring down the 7. There are 9 4s in 37. 9 times 4 equals 36. Subtract. Difference is 1. Bring down the 6. There are exactly 4 4s in 16. 4 times 4 is 16. Subtracting, we have a remainder of 0, which means it simplifies nicely to 394. Another way to show the simplification, though, would be to write 1,576 as 4 times 394. So we'd have 4 times 394 divided by 4, and we know 4 divided by 4 simplifies to 1, also giving us 394. Let's also check this on the graphing calculator. To do this, we'll enter this expression here, but we do need a set of parentheses around the numerator and denominator. So on the calculator, we start with an open parenthesis for the numerator, and then we have the square of negative 26 plus the square of 30, close parenthesis to end the numerator, divided by open parenthesis to begin the denominator, and then we have negative 26 plus 30, and a close parenthesis to end the denominator, and enter, verifying our work is correct.